Today's product is a solar LED 2-pack. You get a supplied battery for the remote controls, a user manual, the hardware, and the 2 packages of the LEDs that they are, with 3 lights and the solar panel very nicely wrapped. As you open up the unit, you're going to take off the solar panel, put it to the side, and lock it into place on the top. It goes in like so, and these will open up widely. And they are not adjustable in angle, but you have a gimbal that you can hang to the wall and slide onto a mounting plate. And that is what the unit looks like, fully assembled, opened up. Each unit comes with a bracket to mount just the LEDs and the remote control and the battery inside. To test the unit out, over here there's an on and off switch. It'll blink according to each of the mode. If you put your hand over the solar panel, that is how you get it to test and work. So what we're going to go do is hang these up. I'll show you what they look like installed. We're going to install over here with the mounting bracket. This is an area of where I want to put mine and lock it down nice and solid. If I don't want to use the mounting bracket, I could permanently mount it to the wall like so. I place on, I'll line it into the slot. I adjust my angle so the sun hits. I want to take the films off of everything. I feel for the button and I turn on, or I leave it off so this can get a couple of days worth of sun and fully charge the batteries. Pick another location to lock down. Simply set up as simple as 1, 2, 3. Turn on, tail, and adjust according to the sun. The lights are IP rated to a certain extent. The remote controls are not. Pull out the plastic film and you can hit the on button and you can hit the mode that you want for the evening, and this will work for a number of ranges. One remote will work for both. Put the other remote next to the other one and you could just turn them on and off when you like. 100% goes off, detects motion, comes back on. The next one will be at about 30% dim, detects motion, goes on 100%. And then the last one is dusk to dawn at about 30 to 50% on. For further details about the product, check online. And we'll go over this in the evening hours, show you what the front and the back ones look like, and you'll decide if this product may be right for you. Evening hour fill, the PIR sensor detects motion and the light will come on. So what we're going to do is trigger it on, and we're going to hit mode number 1, and that was the 3 lights. And if we just sit here and wait about 30 seconds, the light will shut down. As the light is off, and when it detects motion, it triggers on. 100% shuts down to 0% to the next time it sees motion. We have number 2. We'll give a number 2 to the light. It gives about 4 quick blinks and we'll allow it to settle down. When it settles down, it goes down to like 30% until it triggers the motion again with the PIR sensor. And the light will go off. And that'll stay that way for 30 seconds. And then of course the last mode is a dusk to dawn, about 30% as well. And no matter what you do, it won't trigger off. Dusk, it will stay on. and dawn it'll turn off, and it'll rejuvenate the next time the sun is up and go back to that particular setting and go that route. So every day you want this to be dusk to dawn setting, you leave it on mode 3. If you want it to be on mode 1, where it shuts off altogether and detects the motion, you leave it on mode 1. Now, depending on what you want to use it for, you could put it on a tree, put it on a wall, put it on a fence, put it anywhere imaginable. I hope this light is something that you are after. Motion PIR sensor, dusk to dawn, depending on what you want to set it to. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.